Are you tired of spending countless hours searching for the perfect AI tools to enhance your graphic design projects? Look no further. We've compiled a list of the top 7 free AI tools that will revolutionize your design workflow. Let's dive in and discover how each tool can elevate your creative process. First on our list is Chroma, a remarkable color combination generator. Drawing inspiration from thousands of human-made color palettes across the internet, Chroma ensures a diverse and visually stunning array of options. With its user-friendly interface, selecting personalized color combinations has never been easier. Simply choose a handful of colors, and Chroma will present you with curated palettes perfect for your design needs. Next up is FontJoy, your go-to tool for selecting the perfect font combinations. Say goodbye to the frustration of trying to match fonts manually. FontJoy analyzes and pairs fonts based on style, weight, and contrast, presenting you with visually pleasing and legible combinations. Its intuitive interface simplifies the font selection process, allowing you to focus on creating eye-catching designs. AutoDraw takes the guesswork out of drawing with its AI-powered suggestions. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a novice, AutoDraw's diverse range of drawing suggestions will help bring your ideas to life. Plus, its handy keyboard shortcuts and vast library of pre-existing designs make creating digital art a breeze. Enhance your images with Let's Enhance, a revolutionary image-enhancing and scaling tool. Say goodbye to pixelated and low-quality visuals. Let's Enhance brightens up your images without sacrificing quality, making them suitable for professional use. With its range of pricing plans and free credits upon sign-up, Let's Enhance is accessible to designers of all levels. Visibly simplifies the process of adapting existing designs. Effortlessly upload an image, and Visibly will generate a design ready for customization. From editing text to adjusting colors, Visibly streamlines the design process, saving you valuable time and effort. Recraft offers a versatile AI-powered solution for creating vector art, icons, 3D images, and illustrations. Simply describe your desired visuals, and Recraft will generate them instantly. With its intuitive interface and seamless integration into your creative workflow, Recraft is a must-have tool for any designer. Finally, Midjourney transforms text into beautiful visual artwork. Whether you're illustrating a fantasy scene or seeking inspiration for your next project, Midjourney's advanced machine learning capabilities will exceed your expectations. Remember to uphold ethical practices and respect intellectual property rights when using this powerful tool. These 7 free AI tools are sure to speed up your graphic design workflow and unlock endless creative possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, incorporating these tools into your process will take your designs to the next level. So why wait? Try them out today and see the difference for yourself. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.